We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee, her family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making a peach cobbler, y'all. I'm trying this recipe for the first time and I wanted to share it with you all. And here are our ingredients. Okay, in this strainer bowl, I am placing my peaches in there so I can chop them up into smaller pieces. And it all depends on the size you want them, or you can leave them whole. Here, I'm placing them into a bowl. Now we're adding our juices back in. The recipe doesn't call for us adding sugar to our peaches nor spices, but I'm going to show y'all how we're going to do ours today. Here we're adding 1/2 cup of sugar, and we're going to save the other half for our batter. We're going to mix this up a little bit. Here we're adding our allspice, cinnamon, and a little salt. And now we're mixing in our spices. Y'all, it's already smelling good in this kitchen. It's now time to prepare our batter. Here we're adding our flour, sugar, our salt and baking powder. And now we're mixing all our dry ingredients together. And now we're adding our milk. We're going to continue to mix our batter, letting you know that you can use a hand mixer if you prefer, until there's no longer any lumps in your batter. Here I'm adding my melted butter to my glass baking dish. I melted my butter in the microwave, but if you don't have a microwave, you can add your butter in your pan and just let it melt in your oven, and then remove it from your oven and go to the next step. Here I'm using my spatula and I'm just spreading the butter around the sides. That's to keep it from sticking. Here we're adding our peaches. Y'all, those peaches are so good, y'all. I got a spoon. I tasted, y'all, and it tastes so good. And so you make sure you taste your filling to make sure it has enough spices in it, as well as the salt. The salt helps to mild out the sweetness of your peach cobbler. Here I'm spreading our peaches around evenly. Here we're making sure our batter is smooth. And so now we're going to add it on top of our peach filling. Here we're just continuing to spread this around. There's no perfect way of doing it. Just do it best you can. Okay, next what we're going to do, we're going to place this in a 350-degree oven for 50 minutes or until golden brown. Okay, y'all, I just taken my peach cobbler out of the oven. Letting y'all know I did place it under broil for about a minute, but it's up to you how long you leave it under there. And please don't leave your oven stay right there because it could burn by broiling it, okay? I'm going to let this sit for 15 minutes and then we're ready to serve. Okay, y'all, I am excited to try this recipe because I'm telling you, y'all, I seen it on the internet and it was looking so good, so I decided to try it and share it with you all. This peach cobbler was so good, y'all, and my family really enjoyed it. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to our channel. Oh yes, in my description box, I have a link to a invention that a friend of the family has invented. And can y'all go and fill out the survey? It's a quick survey to show him some love. Okay? It is a good security invention, y'all. Okay, y'all. As always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day. And bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
That's a hit!